Mula.
Mula?
My son.
My daddy.
Mula. Mula. Mula.
Mula, Mula.
Mula, Wellington.
Remember, you marry Luana, you be dead husband.
Get your hand off me. I am a hero. You are a stinker.
What you mean? What you call stinker?
Well, that's what...
No!
You see, Stinker's a great man.
You bet your life, me Stinker.
Oh, yeah.
My father was Stinker. My brother Stinker. My whole family stinkers.
Yeah, but you're the biggest stinker of them all.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. You're the biggest stinker on the whole island.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Him. No stinker.
No. Oh, no.
You no stinker.
No. Too small.
Only me stinker.
Yeah. Biggest stinker I ever saw.
Thank you. You married Luana.
Yeah. I don't think he means a shave.
He don't.